The trial of the man accused of kidnapping a girl in Springfield more than 3 years ago began this morning.
And 22 News anchor Taylor Knight was in the courtroom for the opening statements, and we want to warn you, some of the details of this case are disturbing.
Miguel Rodriguez is accused of kidnapping and raping an 11-year-old girl. The prosecution says the girl was walking home from her bus stop in Springfield when she was abducted in this car in January of 2020. The victim was found with Rodriguez after an Amber Alert was put out. Rodriguez has been held at the state's mental hospital since his arrest. Now, a judge will decide whether he will stay in the same mental hospital or be sentenced to prison. In opening statements, the state's attorney argued that Rodriguez planned out the attack for days. They say he had a knife and sexually assaulted the victim multiple times during the hours-long ordeal, threatening to kill her if she tried to get away.
He did not act on a spontaneous urge without thinking about the consequences. He knew exactly what he was doing. He practiced, he planned, he calculated the outcomes, he scouted the day before, and he prepared for what he planned to do.
The defense is not denying that Rodriguez was involved in this. Instead, they're arguing that he was in the middle of a schizophrenic episode and therefore shouldn't be held criminally responsible.
Schizophrenia drove Mr. Rodriguez to do these acts. It created in his mind an irresistible impulse and rendered him unable to conform his conduct to the requirements of the law.
Rodriguez chose to have a bench trial, meaning there is no jury. The judge will be the only person to rule on this case. Working for you in Springfield, Taylor Knight, 22 News.